When I told my wife I wanted to sell the house,
Nice light fixtures there.
sell the cars, move into a 3-bedroom apartment with our 6 kids, she thought I was crazy. We did it, and maybe I am. If you've been burned at all by the American dream, you don't really want the huge house and the fancy cars, or you're stuck at your job, I want to share the first big step that helped me be free. With the rain, can I even get up this one? A lot of ants. Oh. I'll take this. Many employers and companies with a career track, they really try to get the most out of their employees. Understandably, this is the capitalist system, and the employers need to make a profit. And there is certainly lip service to employee wellness, but the reality is employees are expendable, and employee wellness falls to the bottom of a company's priority list. I no longer had this vision for the American dream, that I just needed to work longer and harder, make the supervisors happier, and all for what? A bigger house with bigger property tax bills and more insurance and more expensive things. Then I looked at the property tax bill of the house that was slightly bigger or newer. It was something like $30,000 a year. That kind of money is basically a full-time salary for many people. It was my first full-time salary. Mine was actually a lot less than that. But $30,000 just for the right to live in the house and pay taxes on it? Ouch. And sacrifice more of my time in life for a bigger slice of pie. So working for a decade without even taking a vacation, putting in the extra hours, all for the wealth and benefit of my employer, ending up in the hospital a couple times for overwork. I knew it was time to try to be free from the employee trap.
The path gets a little narrow and uncertain at points, but I'm not too high up.
But I had a family to take care of, 6 kids, 5 kids at the time. So I couldn't be too irrational, just a little bit. In a later video, I want to share some of the details about how we really made this happen. But the first big step that helped in transitioning, without making immediate drastic life choices, was to find a job or position that could be a launch pad. Into the life that I wanted to build for myself and my family. This involved quitting my big firm job, but not before I had set up a position at a smaller place where I had the time, tools, and resources to start bringing in my own clients and start spending time on the skills that I needed to build to actualize my dream.
Wild lime tree.
Where's the
No.
It's not.
Wow.
I'm gonna fall in the river.
So if you're watching and you want to start building your dream and not the American dream, start researching and networking with people, organizations, and companies that can be your launch pad, that can give you some of the time and resources you need to make the leap. The launchpad company I joined with, I only needed to stay there about 9 months before I was able to truly make the leap, starting my own business and adopting a more minimalist lifestyle so we could escape employment and actualize our purpose. Good luck. See you next time.